Great, John. Let's go to the end. We're over an hour now, so we're gonna have to shut it down again, folks. I've sent you a link to the slides. They'll also be posted on the website where you learned about this this webinar, and so we've gone through wide upgrade. You saw the near end of support for everything but 19C and of course 20C. John showed you how to do the upgrade. We have recorded this, so you can review that as well. I'll send you a link to the tutorial as soon as it's ready. We didn't get to the Java and Apex implications. Maybe we'll schedule another brief session and get to that, etc. There's questions about PDBs in the queue. Listen, we have tutorials, free tutorials on Multitenant, so check that out on our website. And if you'd go forward, John. Thanks for attending very much. What you were hearing primarily was the wisdom of John Watson, who does who manages all our DBA projects here, does most of them himself, and as you can tell, is extremely knowledgeable about the Oracle database. Please keep us in mind for your Oracle administration requirements. So these are some of the major things that we're involved in and we can provide for you. Our cloud is hosting of Oracle database and Apex apps, so if you don't want to get involved in any of this stuff, we can do it for you for a very low cost. Of course, the database administration services, happy to handle small tasks for you or large projects, upgrades included. And Apex application design and development. A lot of that. Thank you all very much. Hope to see you in a future webinar. Have a great day.